What up, YouTube? FDY, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. I'm making this video a little bit earlier. I had a couple that I wanted to plan out and record later, but Bitcoin is currently going down. Bitcoin is currently crashing. We also have Solana going down. We also have ETH going down. Overall market is just going down. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody who's been watching my videos thus far. I appreciate all the constructive criticism, all the love, all the hate. I need it so I can just get better in this journey. You know, I love making videos. I love helping people. I love holding myself accountable for things. This is what I want to do. So if you support that, please support me and hit the like and subscribe. So let's jump right into it. So currently right now, we had a nice little flash crash over the last few hours. We are currently right now down almost 4%. We're at 3.54 right now. We got a nice little bounce off this trend line here that was about 41,650. So we do have the ETF still coming. We do have the ETF still lingering. So I am expecting a little bit of volatility up until the ETF or ETFs actually do get approved. I'm not sure when these ETFs will get approved. I know they said it's like a window between the 5th and the 10th. So we will have to wait on that to see what happens. So I drew this upward sloping trend line here. I don't know if you can see it, but I will tell you it's at about 40,500 right now, give or take. So that's my line in the sand. 40K, basically 40K, like I said, is my line in the sand to remain in a bullish structure. You know, we're at 42,000 right now. So it's not really time to panic. These times are times for buying the dip, because I do believe that once this Bitcoin ETF or ETFs do get approved, we are going to get some sort of massive blast off, and then we'll probably get a small little rollover. So I'm not really expecting like a super blow off top like we get at the end of like a bull run or bull market, but I am expecting a nice correction after we do get this Bitcoin ETF or ETFs. So like I said, there's nothing to worry about right now until we break about 40,000. 40,000 is a nice structural level. It's a nice psychological level. And it's just one of the levels that I've been eyeing for the past this upward sloping trend line has been, that's from the bottom. I drew that from the bottom of the bear market. So if we hold that, that's the line in the sand, which is right now at about 40,000 to 40,500. So as long as we're above that, you know, I'm good. I'm chilling. Ethereum broke down below 2,200. We got down as far as 2180, held support here. Now we bounced up. Now we're at about 2207. So if you are new to crypto, if you're not well versed on how these moves are or how TA works, usually don't just go down in a straight line. We usually get, you know, go down, consolidate, go up a little, go down, consolidate, go up a little. But with Ethereum, the line in the sand is here. If you see this red bar here, that is in between 2100 and about 2050. So that's the line in the sand for me. I can also come over here if I wanted to, and I can draw this upward sloping trend line here. We see here it respected that upward sloping trend line. So TA works. Technical analysis is just human emotion on a chart, where the most volume, where the most emotion was traded on a chart. So that's all it is. That's all it is. It's not fairy dust. It's not magic. It's just basically charting human emotions and where the most volume was interacted at a specific price point. So let's talk about Solana as well. Solana is down almost 13% though today. So Solana has been going bananas. I was looking for Solana to have some type of breakdown, so to say, maybe at about 100. I thought 100 was going to be the line in the sand, but we got like we can't even really call that a blow off top. That's pretty nice structure on the 4 hour. It's not like it just went up and then came right back down. So Solana, you know, these are the times when you buy the dip. Like Solana is gonna do good. Ethereum is down, but you know, Ethereum has been lagging, but I still think it's gonna do good. AVAX is down 10%. So these coins, these Solana, AVAX, these coins have been ripping and running. Like they've been ripping and running. And you know, along with Bitcoin, we know when Bitcoin gets these nice little corrections, we know the altcoins are going to correct a little bit harder. I feel like this is an opportunity to accumulate something before this ETF. So I'm an active investor and an active trader. So that's what I'm looking at. That's how I'm playing it. So that will be my strategy, is to buy the dip, and then we'll probably consolidate. We'll find some type of floor with Bitcoin, and then we'll find some type of consolidation. Bitcoin dump that we're getting right now is not really too much to worry about. We're still at 42K. As long as we're holding 40,500, in my opinion, and we close below that, it's nothing to worry about. Solana is taking a massive dump today, which is to be expected since we got that massive run up for like the past couple weeks, along with AVAX is down. So these are just the times where you need to step back, you know, see if you want to accumulate now, see if you want to, you know, if you got dry powder. This is why you got to keep in a bull run. You have to keep finding ways to get dry powder, because all these dumps and all these corrections and whatnot, you have to get more money in the dip. That's how you bring your dollar cost average in, and that's how you bring your price of entry down. Especially if you bought a little bit higher, you can bring your cost of average down. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm actually also trading. So usually when we have dumps like this, especially in our environment and the crypto environment that we have now with the big Bitcoin ETF, I'm going to look for the bounce. So I'm looking for strong, very strong levels to find bounces, and then I'm going to long them. It's really that simple. And you rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. You get these massive run-ups, you get these nice little corrections, and you get another leg up. It's just how the crypto market works in a bull run. So hopefully that helps somebody out there if you are trying to navigate the markets. Bitcoin, like I said, right now is at 42,000. Nothing to worry about, not yet. Ethereum's at 2,200. Solana still holding above 100. AVAX still holding above 40. XRP not really moving, it's down 5%. You know, the overall market is pretty much down. We have some outliers here and there, but for the most part, crypto is down. So just keep your eye on that for the rest of the day. And that's pretty much it, man. So if you like what you heard, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I always say I appreciate everybody for watching, because you could be doing anything else right now, but you're here with me and I appreciate it. So hit that like, that subscribe, and I will see you in a minute. Peace.